Well, these are ongoing police investigations now that they have the main accused in custody here in Lakhimpur Kheri case. The crime scene that is now being recreated along with the accused Ashish Mishra. He's been taken to the crime spot. We should remember this is to the incident that took place this month itself, 3rd of October. 8 people, including 4 farmers, were killed. They were mowed down by vehicles. And the MOS home son, Ashish Mishra, one of the main accused here, in custody of the police now finally, is now on the crime spot here to build up the sequence of events. We have with us our correspondent Alok getting us further details here. Alok, this is a very important part, a crucial link to those investigations here to ascertain what exactly happened on the crime scene here. Also, it could effectively establish that Ashish Mishra was present there on the day of this violent incident.
Yes, absolutely. In fact, Ashish Mishra, who is the main accused in the violence that happened in Lakhimpur Kheri, in fact, he could not produce the evidence of around one hour where he was, because from the day one, he and his father were claiming that he was not present at the spot and he was at the event place where at the event venue. So when he was arrested, he could not produce. In fact, if you remember, when he was arrested, he was interrogated for 7 to 8 hours, and then he was put under arrest when he failed to produce the evidences that he was present at the venue. So right now he is being taken to the same place where the incident had happened, and because it's a legal procedure in the investigation, so they are now recreating the scene of crime. And he's being asked where he was and in which car he was present at that point in time. And definitely, police is trying to make the case watertight, and that is why the investigation has been proceeded.
Absolutely. Alok, very quickly here, given the fact that the main accused taken to the crime scene, there has been, of course, so much delay to this first step of these investigations here. What really is the status of the crime scene? While we see that it has been cordoned off by police tape, but these are open fields where empty bullet shells have been recovered already. The vehicles in that violence, one of them being burnt, one of them being upturned here. So what really is the condition of that crime scene here in which a sequence of events is being built out with the main accused this late in the day?
See, sir, there are two things. One, whenever the incident happened, immediately the forensic team reached at the spot and they collect the evidences, basically the forensic evidences and the evidences which are related to the crime from the spot. So, but the crime team has already, in fact, conducted the visit at the spot. And right now, the SIT, which is investigating the case, they have already collected the whole documents and the samples which they have collected. And this is the second thing. The recreation of the whole crime scene is the second part of the investigation.
Okay.
And now which is being done by the SIT. And definitely it's a crucial part, because if you recreate the scene, you get the idea of how the thing has happened, how the incident had happened, from where the accused came, from which side the accused came, and it really helps in making the charge sheet as well. So that is what the thing is. As of now, the crime scene has been created, and the police is also waiting for some of the forensic evidences which they have sent to the lab for the report. So all these things will be included when they make the charge sheet and produce it before the court.
Alok, many thanks for getting us those updates here. In these latest images, the police on the crime scene with the main accused to build up the sequence of events.